Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the sky looked down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay.
Oh, that's pretty. You look really pretty too. Turn around real slow. Let me see how pretty you are. Okay, turn on around. Oh, and where are we getting ready to go to?
To school.
Mm-hmm. You sure look pretty. Do you have a favorite nursery rhyme? You know, like Little Miss Muffet or something like that? No? Gonna tell me a story? Do you remember your memory verse? Romans
3:23.
All
have sinned
sin and come short.
And come short again of the glory of God.
Oh, that's very good. How about it? Really
Romans
pretty.
23:23.
No, Romans 3:23.
Romans 3:23.
Let me have a pretty smile. That's cute. Okay, girly girly. You know any other songs? No, all done?
I need to tell you about my cat.
Okay.
One kitty has two green eyes. Her name's Sissy. She's the mother of Nikki. She has a blue eye and a green eye.
Ooh, those are your cats? How many cats do you have, Monica?
And one's named Bato. 3.
Wow.
They're all done.
You're all done? Where's your daddy at today?
In Sacramento.
What's he doing there?
I don't know.
You don't know?
And my mom's out on work.
Uh-huh. And where's your sisters?
At school.
Okay. How old are you, Monica?
At school.
How old? How many?
5.
5. Wow. How old's your mom? How old do you think she is? Guess.
7 or something.
Okay. How old's your dad? That's a pretty good guess.
8 maybe.
About 8. Yeah. How old's Andrea?
I don't know.
How old do you think I am?
28.
28, and you think your mom's about 7 and your dad's about 8? Pretty good. Good guesses.
The kitty's looking at me.
Did you have fun spending the night?
Yeah.
I'm glad. Will you come back and spend the night again with me?
Is someone going to spend the night with me?
We'll have to do it on a weekend. That way you guys can play more. It's hard to spend the night on a school night, you know. Okay. Yeah, but you guys will get together.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.